Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Here we go on day 12 of NEWvember. I'm keeping accountable by tracking all my food and sharing it all with you. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day for day 12 of NEWvember, come on along and share the day with me. For breakfast, I decided to try some of that corned beef hash. It is 6 points for a half a cup. So that is what I have. And then I realized I did not have any eggs. I had some egg makers, so it's like egg beaters, and that is 0 points. So that's my breakfast for 6 points plus an iced coffee, which is 1 point. So 7 points total for breakfast. I'm gonna make some fish cakes for lunch. What I start off with is some tilapia, and then I'm going to spray it with some olive oil spray and use some Old Bay seasoning on it. Then I'm gonna repeat it on the other side. Then once that is seasoned, I will put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Once the fish is done, I'm going to flake it up, kind of like the consistency of tuna fish. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of light Miracle Whip, some salt, and a 1/3 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and a little bit of lemon juice. Then I'm going to combine all those ingredients. So that's how I fry up the fish cakes. This is my lunch. I'm having a cut up cucumber and 3 fish cakes. Each one is 1 point each. 1 point for the Bolt House Ranch salad dressing, and the cucumber is 0 points. So that is my lunch for 4 points. So I was down at the casino and I had a free coupon for a buffet. So that's gonna be my dinner tonight. I'm gonna try to keep it under control, so we'll see what we can do. So I'm starting off with a bowl of wedding soup, and I believe that is 5 points. Then I have a salad with a little dressing on it, some cottage cheese and eggs, and mostly 0 points, vegetables. And it's seafood night, so I'm gonna see what I can do here. So I have some sweet potatoes, some turkey, some shrimp, fish, and cranberry sauce. So the only points here are the cranberry sauce and the cocktail sauce. And then I got some clams and some mixed vegetable stir fry, and that looks like it has some oil on it. So that is what I have for dinner. So is it wrong to go to the buffet? I don't know. Yeah, I didn't do too bad. I ate way better than I normally would. I didn't go over points. I ate all baked food, no fry, no dessert. So overall I did pretty good. I'm glad I used my coupon. Free buffet coupon. Yeah, but this is keeping me accountable. November day 12. So that's going to be the end of this video. Day 12 of NEWvember is in the books. I ate that buffet today. I didn't do too bad. I tried to watch it. I counted the points. I ended the day using 34 points total. And you can eat things you want on the WW program. You just got to watch your portions and try to stay away from fried foods and the sweet foods. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.